there! You've just landed at DIY Tools and Equipment, the ultimate playground for cool tools, wild ideas, and inventions you didn't know you needed. This is precision at its finest, cutting wood as if by ruler. The beams look so flawless that impressive doesn't even begin to describe it. Struggling with steep slopes or thick brush? The remote control off-road tank mower is your new best friend. Built for tough terrain, it powers through grass and weeds where regular mowers fail. Taming thick trees and stubborn branches isn't easy. Manual tools just don't cut it, literally. That's why hydraulic scissors exist. Raw cutting power for serious jobs. Using high-pressure hydraulics, they slice through wood like butter. Even thick trees don't stand a chance. They're cut down in seconds, almost like they volunteered for it. Why settle for one place when the whole world can be your backyard? That's where the mobile home shines. It's the answer for anyone craving freedom, flexibility, and comfort on the road. Built like a house on wheels, it comes packed with furniture, a kitchen, bed, and even a bathroom, all inside a compact, towable design. Just hitch it up, hit the road, and take your home wherever adventure calls. Ever dreamed of flying? This might be the closest you can get, for now. It's the perfect way to practice, and who knows? It could be the next big sport everyone's talking about. Sorting materials quickly and accurately is a challenge in many industries. That's where this screening drum comes in, to separate what you want from what you don't. The screening drum acts like a meticulous filter, holding unwanted material inside while delivering perfectly clean results. Precision and order in every rotation. Tired of climbing up and down ladders all day? These adjustable stilts keep you at the perfect height for ceiling work. No more constant ups and downs. Just strap in, stand tall, and get the job done with ease. Cutting trees safely and precisely can be tough, especially when you need to avoid damage and stay in control. That's why this machine is essential for professionals who demand accuracy and reliability. The metal grip firmly holds the tree in a steel embrace, stabilizing it completely. Then, the saw slices through with surgical precision, making clean, controlled cuts every time. Embroidery is a delicate art, and this specialized machine masters it with ease. The precision is stunning. Every stitch placed like fine jewelry. Fast, flawless, and beautiful every time. Meet the unstoppable all-in-one machine on wheels, loaded with every tool you could need. Ready to handle any job, wherever you are. The perfect partner for work that never slows down. The result? Absolute perfection. Both the quality and execution are truly top-notch. After watching this, mowing your lawn will bring a smile to your face. Cleaning corn's never been simpler. A few swift moves, and you're ready to enjoy those juicy kernels. Attaching sheets by hand is tedious and time-consuming, slowing down productivity and wearing out workers. That's why this machine is a game changer. Designed to speed up the process while ensuring precision. Don't be fooled by the modest look of this bus. Inside, it's pure luxury. Amenities worthy of a five-star hotel. A palace on wheels. Efficiency made simple. In a large production facility, weaving metal mesh is nothing short of a stunning performance. Metal wires twist and turn with precision and grace, like dancers in a ballet of engineering. perfectly synchronized to create strong, flawless mesh every time. Think hand washing dishes is your only option? Not anymore. Your green friend handles mountains of dishes, making cleanup effortless. Wrapping giant bales of hay or silage is fascinating on its own, but when a massive machine gets involved, it becomes a true spectacle. Toss a shapeless lump of dough into the machine and voila, it transforms into a perfectly rounded masterpiece, ready for the oven. The right laser tool transforms work into a meditative process, smooth, precise, and deeply satisfying. Steaming clothes at this speed is an art in itself. The precision, speed, and results make every garment look brand new, like it just came off the store shelf. This wood chipper transforms unwanted branches into useful mulch, cleaner forests, and healthier soil. Eco-friendly and practical, don't you agree? Packing boxes and items has never been easier. This automated machine works with incredible precision and speed, like a true professional. Every craftsman deserves a tool that makes anything possible. This wrench turns complex projects into exciting challenges and routine tasks into effortless work. Turns out a regular bottle opener is the perfect tool for removing old wall fixtures. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. No explanation needed here. Admit it, you'd love to have this gadget in your own collection, wouldn't you? Darkness is no longer a challenge. This powerful lighting device turns night into day, ensuring every detail is perfectly illuminated. Here's a small, reliable assistant that might not stand out, but its role is incredibly important and effective. Ever seen two metal pipes seamlessly become one in moments? It's not magic, it's skill and the right tool. Perfect seams and fast results are no longer a mystery. This is the future of technology, where dreams turn into reality. Sometimes words aren't necessary. Just watch this process closely, and you'll quickly understand the brilliance at work here. It's incredible but true. This tool adjusts to any size. Its versatility makes it the ideal choice for projects requiring precision and flexibility. Who would have guessed the journey a massive metal bowl takes before landing in our kitchens? It's a true production marathon. A gaming room packed with special effects makes you feel like you're inside the game. What do you think of this clever life hack? Most people have old cleaning brushes lying around, but who knew they could be reused in such a creative way? This home play station for cats is pure entertainment. Your furry friends will stay endlessly amused and never bored again. perfect circular saw with built-in measuring functions. It makes cutting wood effortless and enjoyable. This is what happens when you combine knowledge of physics with a great imagination. The result? A process so fascinating, you can't look away. Wow. At first glance, you'd never guess that this small pruner could slice through thick branches so effortlessly. Truly impressive. Working with wires can be tricky and even dangerous. But with the right equipment, all that complexity and risk are completely eliminated. No more struggles with tricky measurements. Getting the perfect cut and angle isn't always easy, but this tool offers the ideal solution. Sanding wooden parts is truly mesmerizing. No knots, no rough spots, just smooth, perfect surfaces. Quick, simple, and flawlessly executed. This tool is a godsend for any craftsman. Its versatility is astounding. There's almost no task it can't handle. This man showcases his trusty helpers for working with heavy materials. When machinery handles part of the load, everything becomes so much easier. These tabletop clocks are far from ordinary. A perfect mix of creativity and quality makes every passing minute more enjoyable. Cutting and cleaning metal flawlessly. Even the toughest jobs now have an easy, lazy alternative. Precision without the struggle. Skewering meat with such speed and precision, it's ready to serve in seconds. This machine handles the task effortlessly. Firefighting is more than a job. It's the art of rapid response and precision. Every mechanism in this system is meticulously designed because mistakes are not an option. Attaching and neatly cutting sheets of material isn't easy unless you've got a tool like this. At full power, the job practically completes itself. Who knew cleaning a roof could be this easy? It shines like new, and the process is completely hassle-free. Ever seen a factory machine stamping nails? It's a mesmerizing display of speed and precision, a true mechanical marathon. Load the feed, and this mixer blends it perfectly for the herd, distributing it with ease. No wonder the cows are always happy and well fed with such a helper. Looking for reliable packaging? This method protects tools as though they're worth millions. Secure, efficient, and impressive. Imagine a helper that fetches any item from a shelf the moment you think of it. That's technology delivering speed and ultimate convenience. It's hard to say why all these wall manipulations were done, but one thing's certain. It was highly entertaining to watch. A gourmet treat for the cows. Perfect spheres. It's easier than you think. The secret's right in front of you, and the results are perfectly round and flawless. Smart equipment in action. In just minutes, it fluffs up old feed in the barn, making it look and smell as fresh as newly prepared. An ordinary can? Not anymore. This press flattens it with incredible power, turning waste into eco-friendly treasures. Efficient, simple, and impressive. Makita laser equipment rivals any skilled craftsman, and working with it is an absolute pleasure. Who wouldn't want this kind of helper? Fire isn't just a destroyer, it's a creator of wonders. In skilled hands, flames transform into a tool for crafting masterpieces. It's a kind of magic accessible only to those who know its secrets. Watch it in action. Picture a small device that guarantees security. This mini camera is a champion of discretion and protection. Install it anywhere and it'll keep you safe from unwanted surprises. Perfectly shaped treats don't just happen, they're the product of high-tech magic, transforming raw ingredients into edible masterpieces. Working with pipes becomes an art when you have the right tools. With this approach, the process is not only logical, but impressively smooth. This production process is absolutely mesmerizing. Every moment draws you in, and it's impossible to look away. Watch the details unfold on the screen and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your take on this incredible technology? Creating a perfectly straight hole in a block is no longer a challenge. With the right tool, precision becomes reality for every craftsman. Lifting a heavy machine safely for repairs is no small feat, but this solution makes the task simple and secure. Your knees will thank you for using this device. It makes long hours of work comfortable and fatigue-free. Want to clean without stress? This helper does the job for you. Just switch it on and watch the space sparkle in no time. Never underestimate power based on size. This compact fan creates an impressive fountain, shooting water to unexpected heights. Small but mighty.